Hello friends, I'm so happy to have you back to my channel. If you are visiting for the first time, my name is Alice Sonyochi and I make videos on tech and how to make money. Hello guys, in this particular video, I want to show you how you can easily link your Param gaming account to your wallet. I mean how you can easily connect your wallet with your Param gaming account for the upcoming airdrop. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe and then click on the bell icon to enable notifications so that when I upload a new video, you'll be notified immediately. Meanwhile, please watch this video till the end and follow all my instructions so you can easily link your wallet to your Param Gaming account in order to receive the upcoming airdrop from this social file project. So guys, to connect your wallet, after logging into your Param Gaming account and then connecting your Twitter account to the wallet, here I am using a mobile device. So I am going to switch to desktop view of this mobile device. And you can do this by simply clicking on these three dots by the top right hand side and then clicking on desktop site. Alright, remember I encourage you guys to use your metamask wallet, especially the wallet extension which should be installed on your web browser. So after switching to desktop view, I'm going to click on this arrow icon that is pointing downwards beside the Twitter profile icon here. Okay. And then I'm going to click on connect wallet as you can see on the screen. Okay. So it's going to bring out a list of wallets I can connect. Now I'm going to click on metamask. Okay guys, and it is going to bring out this screen for me to confirm that I'm connecting my wallet to Param Gaming. So I have two accounts here and I'm going to use the first account and then so guys, I will simply click on next to continue and it's asking that permission and then I'll click on. So guys, after clicking on next, I'll click on connect. Alright, so you can see that the connection has succeeded. So if I go back to my to verify that your wallet has been connected to your Param Gaming account, simply come back to your Param Gaming dashboard and click on that arrow that is pointing downwards again. Alright, now this time you can see that my wallet has been linked. You can see the address of my wallet here. So that's it guys. I will encourage you to do this immediately so that you get yourself prepared for the upcoming airdrop. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe and then click on the bell icon to enable notification so that you will be notified anytime I share a new video. So please like this video, share and drop your comments if there is any. See you guys in my next video.